So I've got this old car, a hot rod, a serious piece of iron, a dual exhaust rumbler, a tire smoking, gear shifting, full bore screaming hunk of Detroit vintage technology, speeding my heart like a mainline shot of adrenaline every time I step on the gas.
Alright guys, the first thing I need to do here is kind of get the grind off where the welds are going to be. So I need to kind of get this lined up and scratch off. That's not going to fit. Just kind of mock up. Alright, it's still not big enough. As you can see, I got the holes drilled in for all the spot welds. All the way down there, up there, up there. So pretty much ready to go on, guys. I'm gonna bring the door over here, fit that, see what else I can do, and get this all fitted up. And I think I'll do a couple when I get it fitted right. I think I'll do a couple, just one on each side, and then maybe one on the bottom, and then fit my cab corner. So then if the cab corner doesn't quite line up, I can always drill out those welds, and you know. So let's see how this turns out, guys. The front part of the rocker panel tacked in, and it's lining up really good. That hits right here, so gotta get that, gotta push that in and do a little more modification to that rocker panel to get it to fit. But we're looking really good here, so it's getting hung up on the something over there. So, but as you can see, we're getting pretty good gaps, and should be pretty good. Well, right now I gotta go change the idler pulley on. Gotta get this darn thing done so I can get back to this fun stuff. Looks terrible, doesn't it? Rusty and wet. Terrible. So I'm gonna get to that, get this darn thing finished, so we can move on to the fun stuff again. So as you can see, I got that rocker panel lined up really well. Check this out, guys. Door shuts perfectly. Rocker panel looks great. So I was getting a little frustrated with that, but finally got it where I wanted it. That looks pretty nasty. There's a new one. I'll turn the camera back on when I get back to this good stuff. So see you guys then. Culprit right here. Sounds terrible. The tensioner pulley. Listen to this. All right, so I guess it wasn't the idler. Well, back to work. Put the new one on there. Nothing, no sound, so that's good. What else? Oh, also got this belt, new belt, and we'll see what happens. Alright guys, got that sucker out of here. It's not squeaking anymore, it's running great, so that's good. And back to this. So back to the fun stuff. And charging this puppy up, see if it'll fire up, and we'll see. And well, guess that's it for now. Closing up shop and be out first thing in the morning. See ya. Oh yeah, by the way, it's 50 out, and boy does it feel like a heat wave. Doesn't that look good? Rocker panels. Moving right along to my cab corner. This time I tried classic parts. Pretty good. Pretty good. I got my rocker panels all tacked in there. You can see. I think it's looking really good. You can see it's pretty straight down the side. I need to, well, you can kind of see a little, but I need to work that out, and that's not tacked up yet, so on that side, just on the back, so I need to kind of work that out and get it right, but I think it looks really good. You can see, looks really good, I think, all the way down. I think it looks good. I don't know. Also got got the tractor out here, run a little bit, and figuring out what to do with this thing. Trying to look for a new another engine for that thing, and it's all, the engine block is cracked, so well, that's not that important right now, so still thinking about what to do with that thing. And it looks good. You can see the cab corners on there and tacked up. Looks really good. That's the other side. This side I got my spot welds drilled out. Also got my spot welds drilled out on the inside too. Got to work out some little, you see how it's a little crooked there, got to work that out, but the door shuts like new. And yeah, check this out, guys. Shuts like new. And I think that's it for this video, so this is quite an update. I guess I got a lot done, so talk to you guys later. See you. I lowered my truck. Not really.